Ya, NCC बानायग्राफोर नै फट' लागासिनो NCC बानायग्राफ्रा NCC बानायग्रा गथ'फ्रा नै ओइ गथ' NCC बानायग्रा गथ'फोर नै आयो नै कामान्डारा कामान्डार कामान्डारा नै NCC कामान्डारा
भिडिअ नामा हे नै स' जों बिराद मोजां बानायदोंमोन खिन्थु जाय कामान्डार मेन कामान्डार जोंखौ लांग्रा लिखांग्रा बे बारावसो थांबायब्रा ओमफ्राय जों थांबाय होमबाबो नायासै मा जायो फार्स्ट मोननो मोना नायनोसै
फट' लागासिनो फट' केमेरामेना
नायनायदो बिथिंजाय आलदा आलदा डिपार्टमेन्टनि मास पास खालामग्रा NCC खालामग्राफोर जाय नोंथांमोननो जों NCC खालामग्राफोरखौ खिन्थानानै जिरायबाय थादों नोंथांमोना
Secondly, we have as a commander and the flag bearer Denke Bosumatari representing from the Department of Bodo. Thirdly, we have MD Alfredin Islam as commander and a flag bearer Ankita Nath representing from the Department of Biotechnology. Thirdly, we have Jimstrong Bosmatari as the commander and a flag holder Sanju Bosmatari representing from the Department of MCA. We have Bima Das as a commander and a flag bearer Kim Kaklare representing the Department of SMS. And sixth, we have Siddharth Bosmatari as a commander and flag bearer Priti Das representing the Department of English. In seventh, we have Bobby Ramsiari as a commander and flag bearer Moonflower Kusari from the Department of Education. We have Mandip Doimari as a commander and flag bearer Chunlaisri Kusari representing the Department of Geology. On ninth, we have Departmental Bosmatari as a commander and Mississippi Attack as a flag bearer representing the Department of Economics. On 10th, we have Arjun Vishwakarma as a commander and flag bearer Rujuma Surveri representing the Department of Geography. On 11th, we have Koila Unazari as a commander and Lucky Sorgeri as a flag bearer representing the Department of MBA. Pawan Bromo as a commander, and on February as a flag bearer representing the Department of Political Science. On 13th we have Dimi Rimi Bosmatami as a commander and Juhi Bromo as a flag bearer representing the Department of Physics. On 14th we have Pinku Bosmatami as a commander and Paramsat Boro as a flag bearer representing the Department of Chemistry. On 15th we have Deposit Das as a commander and flag bearer as a